Hello all and welcome back. Today in this video, let's discuss a new feature that have been added to our accounting module in Odoo 14, that is disallowed expenses. So these expenses, those expenses that cannot be deducted in fiscal result but can be deducted in your bookkeeping result. So we are able to get fiscal result in real time and after setting disallowed expense categories, we can manage periodic changes. So first of all, what we have to do is that we have to ensure that we have installed accounting expenses and we have a new application, new module. So after closing apps filter, if you search for disallowed expense, you will be able to see a module. So after installing those, then only in accounting we can see under configuration disallowed expense category. Okay, so in accounting we can see a new reporting, that is disallowed expenses. So if you open it, you can see all the disallowed expenses categories created, and when only after linking them with the expense account. So here you can see a disallowed expense category, and if you unfold it, you'll be able to see all the chart of accounts, all the accounts linked to this category, disallowed expense category. And along with that, you can see the total amount, rate and disallowed amount for that period, for the period of the report. So you can add filtrations like so I have added filtration, that is this financial year. Then journals, I have given all journals. I have to see all the journals, report of all journals. Then we have other options like if you want to see only posted entries or unposted too, you can do that. Okay, so total amount can be seen. Here you can see for each account total amount, then rate, that is the percentage of non-deductibility, and the disallowed amount. So this amount is calculated according to the rate. So here you can see for 0.3 to 80% rate, we get 0.26, and similarly for this account. So let's see how things are added to the disallowed expense report. First of all, we have to create disallowed expense category. So here you can see two disallowed expense category created and one I have added to the report. So now let's take the case of restaurant fees. Here you can add many details like code, name, car, whether it is a car category, you can mention that. Then company. Then here it is the main part where we can add the start date and rate. Okay, so here I have given start date as September 1st and rate as 100%. So this rate can be changed according to time, like you can add more lines here, and according to time you can change the rate. So for future entries we can give a different rate. Okay, so you can also see the accounts linked to it, linked to this disallowed expense category. So now so I have added the rate and everything, date, then we can link this category with the chart of account, with an account. Okay, let's choose an expense account. So this is active. Let's go to setup. So in Odoo 14 we can set up some fields from here, and for more modifications, for changing other fields, you have an option for you can click the setup to make more modifications. Okay, so while editing here you can add so now let's set up this account, and yeah, you can see disallowed expenses. So you can add the disallowed expense category and so that it can be linked with the account. So I'm adding restaurant fees 100%. Then you also have to make sure that there are some journal entries for this account. So here there is a journal entry, a bill is created, that is expense product is created and billing is done. So otherwise, if there are no journal entries, then you will not be able to see report inside the reporting. Okay, so you have to make sure that. Then after that, if you go to disallowed expenses reporting, you can see the disallowed expense category so that I have recently added, that is restaurant fees. Then if you unfold it, then you can see the chart of account linked to that category with the total amount, then rate, and you can see disallowed amount is 100 itself because the rate is 100%. So if you click on this, you can see general ledger. So general ledger report can be seen with the journal items. Here there is a journal item, one journal item with the bill and the date of the bill, then the partner, currency, and debit, credit, and balance. So that's all about disallowed expense report in Odoo 14 accounting. So if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can comment, you can add your comments below. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.